And I appreciate the organizers, for this opportunity to ask. I have to share the screen with my presentation. Yeah. So can you see the screen? Hi, I'm Subadra Dravida, and I have my co-speaker Shri Kumar today, and we would be quickly presenting on the topic leveraging stem cell technology for biopharma in vitro testing. Our presentation is more like a case study that we chose from the work, the problem statement, and then the solution that we have come up with. So CDC, the international agency, has reported certain historical safety concerns to do with vaccines. Like, for example, during 1955 and 1963, some batches of polio vaccine, given to the public seem to have resulted in many cases of paralysis. And then in 1998, the hepatitis B vaccination was reported to be linked with multiple sclerosis, which is a progressive nerve disease. And then in 2009, H1N1 influenza vaccine was also reported to have shown some increased risk of narcolepsy. So that was just history. But then in the recent past, in 2020, the Lancet, one of the prestigious international journals, has reported neurological and neuropsychiatric complications of COVID-19 in 153 patients, which is not a small number. MNVT is a monkey neurovirulence test. It is a WHO protocol, and one of the oldest and one of the most cruel testings known, in the vaccinology. It is so cruel that the test material is infused into the lumbar region of the monkey, and the test is performed for almost 22 days, and after that, close to some 25 to 30 monkeys are sacrificed per dosage of the vaccine, which is being tested. Although it is a WHO accepted protocol, there has been global hue and cry resistance and ban on chimp testing since 2015. And recently in October 2020, PETA also had pleaded, ban on primates in laboratories. So the problem statement that we chose is of twofold. One is coronaviruses are known to induce neurovirulence, and the non-human irrelevant animal species in use for testing neurovirulence. So let me just define quickly what is neurovirulence. Neurovirulence is the capacity of a vaccine causing disease of the nervous system. And then there are certain scientific and medical facts, like coronaviruses are a large family of viruses, while COVID-19 is a human coronavirus, which is one of its virulent kinds. So the potential danger of vaccine is that it might trigger or revert virulence, while the infection of nerve cells is going to lead either reversible or irreversible human encephalitis and long-term neurological debilitating diseases known to the humankind. The work with that problem, the solution that we have developed is a workstation product to test to predict neurovirulence caused by vaccine candidate or vaccine, with the testing platform as human surrogate in vitro system that yields human relevant readouts. Yeah, so our product is a kit that is composed of one unit of the real-time testing platform, which is termed as Husu Trans MSC in our catalog. And Shri?
Yes, Dr. Subadra. Vitro Homes is an artificial intelligence platform, and we focus a lot on life sciences related problems and solutions. We have powerful algorithms to interpret the data and during the various stages of drug discovery, and we have a powerful mechanism to interpret data related to cell, including mRNA. And in this particular problem, we are utilizing this platform for two purposes. One is to get insight from phenotype data and genotype data, and we have a mechanism to combine the insight from both these data sets. So, Dr. Subadra, go ahead.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. And our solution, has certain market-ready features like the source of the testing platform and some of the interesting features that we have configured to do with the real-time testing platform. And then in terms of handling, which requires no heavy infrastructure, we are considering these features as unique selling points, while the workstation product is going to be as a rapid quality test to be integrated in the vaccine production and the manufacturing facilities. And we sincerely believe that, to the best of our knowledge, there is no other group in the globe probably working in this direction, or maybe thinking also, even if they're thinking we are very proud to share with you all that we have this relevant intellectual property surrounding the respective platforms in place. And it is definitely a nation unique product, and we would have this first mover advantage as well in the global markets. So we have worked it out nice in terms of our plans to roll out the subscription model to collect revenues from the users. And our solution has the bandwidth to target definitely global markets, while the differentiating features of the components that are the platforms have the bandwidth to address the heterogeneous vaccine types also. So as a matter of fact, as of February 2021, there are at least 7 different vaccines across 3 platforms that have been rolled out, and there are more than 200 additional vaccine candidates are in different stages of development. So these are all going to be our target markets. And then the solution that we have developed is going to solve not just the COVID-19 vaccine testing, neurovirulence testing problem, but we believe that it would have the bandwidth and features to go beyond COVID-19 vaccine. And the global biologic safety testing market is projected to reach USD 4.9 billion by 2020, and we have immediate markets not just in India, but also the other established players who are deep into vaccine manufacturing and production would be our target. So I want to quickly highlight this particular slide where the impact of the solution that we have developed is highlighted, is that the workstation product that we have developed would protect global healthy population from debilitating neurovirulence caused by vaccines, and it is definitely going to be affordable but yet high value delivered to the global biopharma industry. So the product is going to facilitate cruelty-free, safety-tested vaccines meant for global immunization. So we sincerely believe that the market and the user is going to appreciate the value proposition brought to them. We have completed certain critical milestones in the product development, and while we also know we are cognizant that we have maybe more than 4 to 5 months of time period to get into the markets after productization of the data sets that we are handling. Yes, so I bring 15 years of life experience, and then I represent this Transcell group that has developed Transtrox BioVertical with all new league of human surrogate systems for in vitro testing. And my teammate Sri Kumar brings the expertise in artificial intelligence and machine learning specializations. So this partnership is a working alliance between our teams in bringing next generation alternative products to animal models for global pharma and biopharma in vitro testing requirements. Thank you.